Hey there, Mark Newman-Kuzel, President and CEO of Made in USA, and today I'm going to teach you how to clean really dirty wood floors. And as you can see, I have really dirty wood floors because I had some of the guys over for the game last night, and they stepped over all the peanuts and ground them in my floor. But that's not a problem because I've got my broom here that you're going to just sweep up, get that into a nice little pile. And short, swift little strokes versus wide. Prevents the product from going everywhere. Just sweep all this together. I recommend sweeping with the grain of the wood. So if anything gets caught in the grooves, you can get that. All right. And for any excess there, the other product we need to do this is my hardwood floor cleaner, and I'll just take my hardwood floor mop, a few bursts of my wood floor product, and just mop that up. Put a little elbow grease into it just to get any of that grounding stuff I didn't get with the broom. And there you go. Mark Newman-Kuzel, President and CEO of Made USA, and that's how you clean really dirty wood floors.